Romero'S. This is a classic 1968 factory Harley-Davidson T120R. This was their TT racer. They used the actual Triumph frame, not the Champion frame. The flat tacker, they used the Champion frame. This one is the actual production racer. All of them are a little bit different. Each rider chose different suspension components. This was Gene Roberson's particular bike, and it's set up now to be street legal. It's got a headlight, tail light, and if I called it a Harley-Davidson, I'm a little exhausted. I just did two motos and 2 practice sessions at Southwick. Had a great race, but the last moto I was getting a little blurry vision. I think blood pressure was kind of high. I was damped, but I'm just glad to be on this thing. It's a beautiful Sunday here in Rockville. The sun's shining, and there's nothing in the planet I'd rather do than take this time for a ride. I'm going to go down Reservoir Road. Kind of wish I had a GoPro on it. It's just this is like a dream bike, man. When I saw this thing, I was absolutely obviously factory parts on this thing, and it's been mostly a show bike in the last 20 years. It's been in a couple of books and magazines and shows. The trophy winner. It's been in Daytona. It was clocked at 126 miles an hour on the back straightaway. Do a drive-by. Well, you know that one of my first street bike was a Triumph Daytona 500. If you've been following our channel, that was a hand-me-down from my dad to my brother to me. And my friend Factory Phil, I nicknamed him Factory Phil, he hooked me up with this bike. He saw this jacket. He thought this is actually the Gary Nixon 1968 Grand National Champion replica jacket. He was number 9, and his partner, his teammate Gene Nixon, used to battle the XR 750 Harley Davidsons with it. I mean, Gene Robertson, I'm obviously hit. I mean, Gene Romero, the factory Triumph rider. This is his bike, and Gary Nixon was his teammate. And this jacket right here says Gary Nixon on it, and it's got his. Can you read these, Kenny?
Yeah.
Read them. What do they say?
Grand National Champion, 68 and 67 there.
And what's this say?
The 67 Daytona 200 champion and the 1998 Motorcycle Hall of Fame.
This is the exact bike that they raced. They were a 650 back then, and in I think it was 69 or 70, Route made a 750 big bore kit for this bike. This has the upgrade to it, and each guy on the team would set them up the way they wanted to. There was only 6 of these that were known to exist left over, and this came from Gene Romero's collection, part of his collection that was sold before he passed away. Right around the corner. ride when I take this on Reservoir Road. I wish I had a helmet can to share this with you guys, but pretty exciting to ride a factory bike, man. It revs to the moon, unlike a normal Triumph that stops revving around 4,500. And the really cool thing about this is when you ride it, most Triumphs, the mirrors become very blurry. This has got a balanced crankshaft and a very good carburetor and valve train and everything. So when you're going down the road, the mirror is not blurry at all, which is totally un-Triumph-like. It's a really special motor. I don't know if you can tell that by the way it sounds, but this is a factory race bike, man. One of only a few known to still exist. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and God bless America.